Namaste students, I am JP Dr. Aziz Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, University Jaipur. Uh, Today I am going to discuss about the topic drying and dryers in the part number 2. In the previous video I discussed uh, about some aspects of the drying, what is drying and what are the applications of the drying, and what are the different types of dryers, in which I discussed three types of dryers. It is the continuous part of the previous lecture. So the fourth number of dryer is the fluidized wet dryer. What is the principle of this fluidized wet uh, dryer? In this dryer type, the hot air trough where of granules are there, and the granules are lifted from bottom and suspended in the air. This is the fluidized state. And what are the different parts of this instrument? And fluidized, it has fluidized bed tray, which is composed of the steel or plastic. And it has a detachable bowl, which is performed bottom with wire mesh support material, and it has a fan which have a part which circulate the air. The fan is present on the upper part for the circulation of the air, and the fresh air inlet, and the filter is there, heat exchanger is there. These all parts are used to heat the air. Okay? And there is a bare filters. Okay? Bag filter have important function to collect the fine particles. What is the working of this reactor? First of all, the material is loaded. The material is loaded by the detachable bowl. It is loaded on the detachable bowl. After that, the fresh air will enter. The fresh air will enter by the inlet. Okay. Then heater will heat the air, and this fresh air will convert it into the hot air, and then it will pass through bed with optimum velocity. Means from normal velocity, this fresh air which is converted into the hot air, it will pass through the bed, every bed through optimum velocity. Means a simple single type of velocity is used. Means and they will be flow in a regular way, and the particle will be suspended, and the fluid suspended into the fluidized state, and the drying will be conducted, and after that the product will be recovered. So this is all the method about the fluidized wet reactor and fluidized type dryers. What are the applications of this type of dryers? Uh, it is used in drying of tablet and granules. For if we want to prepare some tablets, and we want to prepare some granules, then the fluidized wet dryer are mostly preferred, and they are usually suitable for other process of mixing. So they are also used for the mixing also, and they are the modified form of this type of fluidized wet dryer is used in the coating of granules also. So these are the applications. What are the advantages and what are the disadvantages? The advantage is it is very fast to process. It is available in different capacities, and it is easy to handle. It has reduced level cost, and it has high thermal efficiency. So these are the advantages. It's a very if we want it's a fast process, then it can be used. And if we want a reactor in small scale, so we can use because it is available in various capacity. Okay, not it is not compulsory to use a very large capacity reactor. So it is our choice which type of size we select, and it is easy to handle. Means uh, anyone can easily handle it, and the labor cost is lower in that type of dryers, and the efficiency of this type of dryers is very high, and they have high heating efficiency, and they are suitable for applying with high temperature conditions, and they are suitable for the thermolabile substances also. Not all kind of, but for the applicable for the thermolabile products also. So these are the advantages. What are the disadvantages? Talk about the disadvantage. Then it develops some electric charge with, okay, electric charge which may disturb the product, and also there may be some attrition in the product. So these are the disadvantages of fluidized type dryers. Next is the vacuum dryer. What are the vacuum dryer? The principle of vacuum dryer is that it is applicable of vacuum. It is used for the vacuum. What are the uh, different parts of this instrument? It has iron heavy jacketed vessel. It has hollow cells. It has metal trays. It has oven to vacuum pump. These are the different compositions, parts of this vacuum dryer instrument. And there are different type of products can be used in this type of dryer is applied for different types of products. Then what is the working of vacuum drying? The material of different types are loaded on the trays, and after that they are placed on different shelves, and the pressure is then decreased by vacuum pump. Okay? Pressure is decreased by vacuum pump, and steam or hot air is inserted inside the jacket of the cells. After that, the steam will provide the heating to the product, and the product will can be dried. So what are the applications? This is used for drying of heat sensitive materials, industry hygroscopic materials. So these materials can be used. Okay. Sometimes we can use apply the drying methods to heat sensitive metals. So this type of drying can be used for sensitive material also, and drug containing toxic contents solvents can also be used using this type of drying method. Now talk about the advantage and disadvantage of the vacuum dryer. The advantage is it is easy operating, and it is easy for batch process of different type of compounds, not single type of compound, not batch different types of batch compounds. Various modes can be used for heating, and the disadvantage is that it is used, it has low heat transfer capacity, and it has limited capacity. Not everything can be transferred, not every kind of size can be used, and it is very expensive method. Now talk about the freeze dryers. Freeze dryer is also a very important type of instrument method, and it is basically used for the lyophilization. Lyophilization. So if a question arises, what are the use and what is the different name of freeze drying is that we can answer that it is lyophilization. What is the principle? Uh, it is the drying by sublimation to one temperature. And it is a drying by pressure below triple. What are the different parts of freeze dry? It has drying chamber in trees. It has heating coils. Okay. It has vapor condensing or adsorption system with freeze. It has vacuum pump also. So these all are contained in freeze dryers. Now talk about the working. It is a very sophisticated, very good instrument, and it is very complicated a little bit. So it has many different type of steps can be used. The first one is the preparation and pre-treatment. Okay. First, a vacuum. Vacuum is flow in the tray dryers so that the pressure can be removed. Okay. And then pre-freezing is used for solidifying water. Means, we can apply temperature of minus 50 degrees centigrade so that the solidifying water can be freeze. Next, third number is uh, it is primary. It is used in the primary drying. Okay. We go for the primary drying, means the sublimation of the ice under vacuum. So it 0.0098 degrees centigrade and 0.533 kilopascals. Temperature is increased to 30 degrees centigrade within 2 hours. Then the temperature kept constant for about 90 to 99% of water is removed. We keep the temperature for 30 degrees centigrade and keep the temperature at same temperature until the 98 to 99% of the water will be removed. This is known as the sublimation of ice. After that, the secondary drying process is in which we remove the moisture at high vacuum. Sublimation, the drying was conducted at lower vacuum. But in the fourth step, the secondary drying process, the moisture is removed by high vacuum. And at this stage, the temperature of 50 to 50, 60 degrees centigrade is used. And after that, the product is get uh, dried, and after that, it is gone for the packaging. The product is packaged in a special way. The air replaces with gas and seal. The product is sealed. What are the applications? This is used for the production of doses from such as injection. It is used for the solutions. It is used for the suspensions, and also sometimes it is used for the microorganisms. It is used for the drying of blood plasma and its fractionated products. It is used for the bacterial and viral cultures. It, the freeze drying is used for the human tissues also. Freeze drying is used for the antibiotic drying also. It is used for the drying of the steroids also. So these are the advantages. These are the applications. Sometimes it will also use for the food items. Talk about the advantage. It is suitable for the thermal materials. Okay, this is the advantage, and it is used for the loss of volatile weight loss, less loss of the volatile product, and there are no magnesium in this new type of dryers, and it is suitable for moisture sensitive material. And in this type of drying, the sterility of the product is maintained. And if we talk about the disadvantage, the major disadvantage, it is very costly and it is very time consuming, and oxidation may be found in this type of drying process. So this is all about different types of dryers which are used in industries such as fluidize, wet dryers, vacuum dryers, and freeze dryers. So I discussed all these type of dryers in this lecture, and spray dryer is also a type of dryer. This is also included. So the question which can arise: explain different type of dryers which are used in their downstream processing of different type of products. So we can answer our questions with these suitable uh, type of product and suitable type of dryers which are applicable in different industries. Okay. So the common dryers were discussed in these lectures. So I hope the students have better understood all these things. So my lecture is over here. If you have any query, you can ask me. So thank you very much.